Hello, Trang. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, how are you today, Trang?
Mm, I feel sleep.
Oh, I want you to say, I feel sleepy.
I feel sleepy.
Oh, I'm sorry if you feel sleepy, but we still have to have our lesson for tonight. So you can
Yeah.
actually sleep after our class. All right? And you're already getting ready for bed. Are you on your bed now?
Yes.
Yes, wow. So you're really ready to go to bed after this class. What did you have
Yes.
for dinner, Trang?
I have meat and cucumber.
Oh, that's great, Trang. Meat and cucumber without rice?
Yes.
Oh, wow. So you don't eat rice. All right. Anyway, for tonight, we are going to continue with our practice test for speaking here in Unit 7. I want you to look at the picture. So there are four pictures in here. You are going to create a story out of the picture, Trang. You can do it, Trang.
Mm. As the picture one, there a bird on the tree. Uh, Over there, there is a man. Oh, under the land, there is a small bird. The picture too, there a helicopter, and the man, I don't know what is the map, but the small bird is run. At the picture three, the man he come to the helicopter, and the bird he take the helicopter to up, and the picture four, the small bird he on I don't know what it is.
It's on the plane or on the helicopter.
Yeah. Other picture for the bird he arrive her home.
All right. So it's a very short story. Very good because you did your best in telling the story, Trang. Okay, so let me help you how to tell a story nicely. Okay. So before you start,
Yes.
your story should start with once upon a time, like that. Okay. Then you describe, look, let's focus on the first picture. What can you see in this first picture, Trang?
I can see a big bird, a small bird, and a man.
That's right. A small bird and a man. Okay, now what happened? Oh, where is the small bird?
The small bird is under the tree.
Okay. Who fell under the tree? All right. Now, what's the man doing here?
The man he wears something.
That's right. Okay, what is he waiting for?
He waiting a helicopter.
Very good. Okay, so look at the first picture. So you can actually say, I want you to look and read.
Yeah.
Look and
Uh,
read.
once uh, Once upon a time, I can see small bird who fell under the tree and a man who is waiting for the helicopter.
Yes, so with that one, it sounds so much better. So that is the first picture. Okay, now let's move on with the second picture. Okay, what can you see now?
I can see the small bird it run, and the man it go to the helicopter.
Okay, so we can say when the helicopter arrived. Okay, the little bird, the little bird run towards it as the man, as the man rushed to get inside the helicopter, like that. So look at the man. Why does the man rush to go inside the helicopter?
Mm, So no.
Because the man is late to work. Okay, so we can say when the helicopter arrived, the little bird runs towards it as the man rushed to get inside the helicopter because he's running late for his work, or let's say business trip, for his business trip, like that. Okay, now I want you to look and read.
When the helicopter arrived, the little bird ran toward it as the man rushed to get inside the helicopter because he's running late for his bonus trip.
Business trip. All right, now I want you to look at the third picture. Okay, where is the little bird?
The little bird is under the helicopter.
All right, the little bird is on the helicopter. Fortunately, the little bird is on the helicopter, like that. Okay, now look at the last picture. Where is the little bird now?
Mm, The little bird he come home.
All right, then we can say, finally, the little bird is home. With, okay, who is with the little bird?
Uh, his mother.
Yes, with his mother. Now, what do you think is he feeling?
He happy.
Yes, then we can say they're happy to be together now. All right. Now, but I have some follow-up question. How did the little bird come home?
What?
How did the little bird go home?
The little bird ran to the helicopter, and on the helicopter, finally, the bird. I don't know.
Okay, so the bird jumped on the tree when the helicopter was flying. All right. Okay. And oh, finally the little bird jumped on the tree when the helicopter was flying. And and okay, And it's fine. Oh, finally, the little bird jumped on the tree when the helicopter was flying,
Mm,
and it and the bird is home with his mother. They're happy to be together now, like that. Okay, now I want you to look at this story. I'm sorry. All right, so what is the problem from the beginning of the story?
the bird is fell to under the tree.
That is right. Okay, now what does the little bird want?
I don't know.
Okay, does it want to go back to the tree?
Yes.
Yes. All right, but what is his problem? Why can't he go back to the tree immediately?
Mm. He's on the helicopter.
All right. Actually, this little bird cannot go back to the tree because it cannot fly yet. When the bird is still a baby, it can fly because their wings are not fully developed. Okay, that is why this little bird saw an opportunity to be on the helicopter like that. Okay, so this time I want you to retell the story by reading this one.
Um, Once upon a time, I can see a small bird who fell under the tree and a man who's waiting for the helicopter. When the helicopter arrived, the bird runs toward it as the man rushes to get inside the helicopter because he's running late for his business trip. Fortunately, the little is on the helicopter. Finally, the little bird jumped on the tree when the helicopter was flying, and the birds is home with his mother. They are happy to be together now.
Yes, so like that. So that is actually how you tell a story. So of course, it's so much better if you start with some transitional devices, just like once upon a time, fortunately, finally, then when. So those are actually transitional devices. And of course, you have to describe each picture from the story. Okay, so this is a sample answer. I want you to look and read this baby bird. Look and read, Trang.
Wait. Uh, this baby bird wants to be in the tree with its mother, but it can't fly. A man waiting for the helicopter is coming down in the fire. The baby bird's running to the helicopter. Now the man sitting in the helicopter. The baby bird on the helicopter. The helicopter fly up again. Now the helicopter's flying above the tree and the baby birds jumping off the helicopter. The Its mother very happy.
That's right. So see, this kind of answer is a simple one. It actually describes what we can see from the picture. All right. So anyway, let's look at this last part of Unit 7. I want you to tell me what you can see in each group. Then tell me which picture doesn't belong and why. Hello, Trang.
Uh,
Hello, Trang. All right. So I want
yes.
you to tell me what you can see in each group, then choose the picture that doesn't belong, then why. You can do it, Trang. Hello, Trang. Can you hear me? Hello, Trang. Can you hear me?
Mm. At the first, the picture one, two, and four, they are fruit. But the picture three, this is a book. At the second, uh, the picture two, three, and four, they are gray. But the picture one, the the dark is yellow. The picture one.
Yes, Trang. Hello, Trang.
Hmm.
Hello, Trang.
Sorry, sister, my internet is not good.
Oh, it's all right. No problem. I completely understand. Okay, now let's continue.
Yes. At the picture one, two, and four, the fruit are yellow. They are fruit, but the picture three, this is your book. At the second, the picture two, three, and four, the animal have the gray, but the picture one, the animal have yellow. At the picture one, two, and three, and four, the furniture is next to the book, but the picture tree, the ruler is on the book. At the at the picture four, um, the picture one, three, and four, um, their their family is thought there's some light, but the picture two, the girl is sleepy.
Okay, thank you so much for trying your best in telling me which picture doesn't belong to the group. So far, so good. All your answers are correct. Very good here, Trang. However, there are many sentences that we need to um correct. All right. So look at this one. And also I will give you a tip on how to do this part. So first, since this is a practice test for speaking, you have to describe what you can see in each picture. You can say, you don't have to say at picture one. So you can say in the first group like that. Okay.
Yes.
In the first group, I can see a lemon, a pineapple, a book, and an orange. Picture three doesn't belong because it is a book. Lemon, pineapple, and orange are fruits. Okay, now
Yes.
your turn in the second group. Can you do it again, Trang?
Mhm. In the second fruit, I can see a duck, an elephant, a mouse, and a rabbit. But the elephant, the mouse, and the rabbit, they have the color are gray. But the duck is yellow.
All right. So
As
thank you
the
for that
third,
one. Hold on. Okay.
as the
Thank you for
third,
that one. Wait a minute. So thank you for that one, Trang. So very good. There is an improvement already. Okay. But you can say picture one doesn't. You can say picture one doesn't belong to the group. Then you can say
yeah,
because because this chick is yellow, the elephant, the mouse, and the rabbit are gray. Like that. Okay. Now, look at this one. Oh, can you do it again until you make it perfect? Try again. Try again, Trang. Hello, Trang. Hello, Trang. Hello, Trang.
now.
All right. Now, can you do it again here in the second group? Oh, I cannot hear you, Trang. Hello, Trang. Okay. Can you do it again in the second group?
Yes. At the second group,
Oh, in the second group.
in the second group, I can see a duck, an elephant, a mouse, and a rabbit. But the two, three, and four, the animal are gray. But but the picked one, the duck doesn't belong to the group.
Oh, here, Trang, let me help you on how to say it properly using the correct grammar of grammar in English. You can say in the second group. Okay. I can see a chick here, an elephant, a mouse, and a rabbit. Then you say the first picture doesn't belong because it's yellow. The elephant, mouse, and rabbit are all gray. Okay, now your turn again. All right, Trang, can you please read the second group? In the second group, hello, Trang, can you please read in the second group?
Yes. In the second group, I can see a a chick, an elephant, a mouse, and a rabbit. The first picture doesn't belong because it's yellow. The elephant, mouse, and rabbit are all gray.
That's right. Okay, now last one, your turn. Look,
In the third group, I can see a book, a pen, and a pen. A book, and an apple, a book and a ruler, a book and a cup, or a cup. The third picture doesn't belong because it's on the book, but the book.
yes, Trang. Hello, Trang. Oh, hi, Tulin. Please join again. See you later, Tulin.